Introducing Madagascar almond, Terminalia mantali of the family Combritaceae. Madagascar almond is an impressive tree that can reach up to 30 meters tall. Its trunk is usually straight with a diameter that can expand to 1 meter. The leaves are elongated and leathery, with a shiny dark green surface that measures about 8 to 16 centimeters long. The ecological importance of the Madagascar almond goes beyond its visual appeal. This tree plays a crucial role in its native habitat by stabilizing the soil with its extensive root system. It helps prevent erosion, particularly in areas prone to landslides and heavy rainfall. Additionally, its flowers provide a rich nectar source for bees and other pollinators, thereby enhancing local biodiversity. Madagascar almond is used as an ornamental plant for its attractive foliage and flowers. It is also used as a medicinal plant for treating various ailments such as fever, cough, cold, and asthma. It is also used as a food source for animals.